Oh my goodness. I just can't wait for our next video. I just can't shake this excitement. Are you guys ready to watch? Let's go! Alrighty guys, so today we're gonna fly a kite. We're also gonna blow some bubbles with this new little flamingo thing I just got for her. She's gonna love it. I'll show it for you guys in a second. Then we're also gonna build this 3D fire truck with wooden pieces. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, so here is our little flamingo guy. Here it goes. She's gonna love it. Letting the pig fly. Here we go, Peppa. Oh, he's down. Oh, he ran into me. Ready? Come here. Oh, it's going. It's going. Whee!
It's chubby.
Alrighty guys, we're going out to feed the chickens. Let's go. Come join us. She's excited. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're here outside with the baby chickies and the big chickens as well. Alright, we just got... Oopsies. There we go. We just got out of the pen with the chickens. It's a little hard to videotape her feeding the chickens at the same time. But our neighbor has some construction going on, it sounds like. But I'm going to show you the other ones eating right now. I'll switch over to that front camera. There we go. Chip, 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 chip. There's the rest of the chickens. They're just outside doing their business. We've got a feeder inside right there, and then our water is lined up along the back of it. They're pretty excited. They don't know what's to come. The white one does. We have introduced him to the flock. He was not the happiest with the rest of the chickens. Yeah, they weren't the happiest either, they're saying. But that's okay. They'll get used to it because there's more to come. I've got some more Easter eggers and a few other ones inside as well. Little babies that we just picked up. We are done incubating our set for right now. We did 3 sets of incubating on the eggs this year. The majority of the ones that's in there right now are ours. Actually, the only ones that aren't are those 2 right up at the front. And then all the ones out here we did ourselves, besides the big gray one over here and the big white one, which he's on the far side over there hiding. That's it. These are our chickens. These are our outside guys. Gobble, 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 buck, 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 buck. We are going to get some turkeys, actually, and some ducks soon. Soon to come. So keep watching.
Smell.
What? No smell. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. We're going on our little venture for right now. It is nice and breezy, which makes it really nice because it's also a little bit sunny. And she's picking up some flowers as we go for our dinner, which we're going to make some spaghetti here pretty soon. And I will show you guys all of that. But it's a beautiful day. There's a bunch of birds out. I'll flip the screen around here. Wow, she says. Wow. What's going on? What's the holdup? Well, let's go. Come on, let's go. We go. Alright, out here just walking around, enjoying our... Daddy Shark's at work. Enjoying our night out here in the beautiful mountains. There's a bunch of people riding on quads and mowing their yards and stuff today. Perfect day for that. To be out in the sun while it's windy. Perfect. She's enjoying it. She's getting her fresh air and everything while this is all so beautiful. Alright, probably going to start heading back home a little bit here. Got our daily dose of sunshine, I'd say. Oh, there's a cow. Meow. Meow. Alright. I better get out of here before people start to think we're weird. Cow. Meow. Cow's going there. Hey guys, tonight we're cooking spaghetti, and I just started cooking the ground beef. I sauteed the onions and put in some garlic, and we're ready to go. I just add a little bit of salt and pepper and let the ground beef have its own flavoring. Alright, well next I'm going to do up some noodles and stuff like that and get it ready to go, and once the sauce is all ready up, I'll let you guys know. Thanks so much. Alrighty guys, the meat is cooking pretty good. I think in a minute here I'm going to add the sauce in there. Once I drain out the grease. Now I started cooking off about a pound, a little over a pound to be honest with you. A little over a pound of ground beef in there. Then we're going to add our sauce, a little bit of tomato sauce in there with that, and get that cooking. Alright, we'll get that started. Alright, so now I added in the sauce. I also threw in some stewed tomatoes. They add a little bit of flavor in there and also some texture as well. So that's starting to go. And then I also added some seasoning in there as well. I did some Italian seasoning, which consists of a little bit of oregano, some thyme, and what else? I think there's some rosemary in there as well. I also added a little bit more garlic seasoning. Can't go wrong with that. And then also a little bit more onion, just for some flavor and yeah, just 'cause. Anyways, so yeah, we've got that there going. Once it gets, I like to cook it approximately about like 10-15 minutes to really get it cooking down. And then altogether maybe like about 20 minutes. Once it's done, then I'm going to start the noodles, which won't take that long. And today we're going to use some bow tie noodles. Yeah, that's exciting, huh? Let's get a good look at that sauce. Alright, so let that start cooking, and then I'll get back here with that once it's ready to go. Okay, great. So now the sauce is cooking pretty good, and I got the water boiling back there, almost boiling. And I added a good amount of salt in there. Made some motion water. Yeah, I made some ocean water. So now we're going to cook that, get that to boiling. And then we'll add our bow tie noodles. Whoop. Alright, fantastic. So now I've got the bow tie noodles into the salt/ocean water back there. And then we have this sauce here going really nice. I'm so excited to eat all this. Oh my god. Anyways, so I'll keep you tuned in, hear what's going on. The noodles, I'll cook them about maybe, I like to get them till al dente. So it's really kind of hard to judge on that, especially because it's kind of like texture-wise, you know. We'll figure it out. We got this. Okay, anyways, bye. All right, fantastic. Sauce and noodles are both done. I'm going to drain the noodles, add some butter and some salt, and then we'll add the sauce to it. All right. Alrighty, guys, and here we have the finished product. All right, so what I put on the top was just some fresh mozzarella. Just cut it up on there, and then also there's I incorporated the sauce into the noodles for a little bit, and then I added the sauce to it after it set into it a little bit. But that's it. Yummy spaghetti. Alright guys, So now we are building the wood fire truck. Woo woo! Woo woo! She's excited too. So far we've just gotten the wheels here going on strong. But we need wheels, so we're gonna continue this here, and it may take a few days, but we'll get back. Well, thanks so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I did making it. And as always, please like and subscribe, and I will continue to make more videos. Well, thank you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe. Thanks. Bye-bye.